Good morning, greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a very rainy day. It is raining intensely. Look at that. Oh, my windows are getting wet. I hope they don't get streaky. Oh no. I'm gonna make a coffee. Mom's super dressed up, ready to go to the bank.
What do you dress up? I'm just wearing.
Alright guys, I made myself an iced coffee and it is beyond delicious. Yummy. Mom and I are having some breakfast. We're eating some leftover minestrone from yesterday and I put some rice in there and I'm super excited to eat. You guys, the sun randomly came out and the clouds parted.
Although it's still raining.
I know, even though it's like literally still raining. Alright guys, I just got inside the car, waiting for Mom to come outside. It actually just stopped raining and the sun came out and it's beautiful. And Mom and I are just gonna run over to, we're gonna go to the bank, we're gonna go to the drive-thru, and then we're gonna go to the egg store drive-thru. And then after that, we're going to surprise the kids with McDonald's because they have been wanting McDonald's for a while. So we're going to do that. But yeah, the sun finally came out. It's beautiful. It's still like wet outside from the rain. Can you guys see that? I don't even know. It's like so sunny outside. But anyway, see you guys in a second. Alright, you guys.
It's so warm.
We just got to Costco. Mom's telling me about how warm her jacket is. Filming on my phone though because it's going to be easier to film them with my camera.
You don't want to wet your camera.
I know, I don't want to wet my camera just in case because it might start raining any second again. It was super sunny when we left and now the clouds are back. Alrighty. Looking around Costco. Okay, these are new. They didn't have these when we were buying these last time. These are much bigger than the ones we had. Well, this one's expensive though. These are $140 for that one. Oh, they have all sorts of furniture right now too. Fake fireplace.
This is cute.
That is not our style.
I said cute. I did not say our style.
Coat rack. Here they have shoes. Here they have rain boots because it's raining today. Adidas socks. Oh, these little champion sweatshirts are so cute for kids. Oh, they're cute. And they have little Adidas pants. Oh yeah, we definitely need more potatoes. Look at this cute little outfit that Mom's gonna get Eliza for his birthday. So cute. Oh yeah, fingerlings, yes.
Fingerlings.
We're in the fridge. Do you need cucumbers?
Some of this.
Ooh, yeah. Need some blueberries too. Perfect. Ooh, how about straw babies?
Get some strawberries.
Oh, that one's a moldy. Let's see. Ew, all of them, a lot of them have mold. Look at that. Mom, I don't think the strawberries are good. A lot of them have mold. They're like all contaminated. No straw babies for us today. Ooh, giant bag of ginger. Oh yeah, we need shrimp. So we can make shrimp tempura sushi. Ooh, Mom, remember shrimp tempura sushi? Maybe I'll make that for Eliza's birthday.
They have gloves.
Oh, let's have lobster claws.
You know the lobster thing that I made?
The lobster
It's only
pasta?
14.
Wow. Yum. That's exciting.
Friday. I always have this.
We can make that for New Year's. That'll be so
Yeah.
festive. It'll go great with my Korean soup. I'm trying to brainwash Mom. I'm trying to inception her so she'll make some beef rib soup for New Year's.
Cold.
Is this the shrimp?
Which one is that?
No?
Is this the word?
Found the shrimp. What else do we need, Mom?
What fish?
I think we need creamer too. Did they have that one fish that you made that was really good?
What are the...
Oh, we need chicken wings. Chicken wings. We can make chicken wings.
Pacific. Siguro ng Pacific God.
Maybe.
Friday. A lot of them.
Chicken wings, hot dog and bologna. Yes, chicken wings. Chicken wings. Ooh, we're in the really cold fridge now. We're gonna get eggs. And I'm gonna grab the creamer over here. Two? Lots of creamer. I'm gonna grab a water. I can't do this. Yeah. We can do it.
Wala na si Dad yung water.
Water super stuck. The Dove moisturizer, busy shampoo, body wash is on sale right now. It's $4 off.
Ito din ano ni Dad.
Oh, Dad's favorite Irish Spring is also on sale. All right, we just got back to the car. Let's unload or load up our groceries. All right, you guys, we are now at the McDonald's drive-thru.
It's raining again.
The clouds are back and it's raining, so it's perfect.
Perfect rain.
Perfect rainy weather. All right, we just got home and we got the McDonald's. The Donald's.
We have the Donald's.
The kids are over there waiting for their foods.
Macus.
We got so much food. I cannot wait.
Macus.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, the rain is getting super intense.
Rain, go away.
Look at that.
Wait, I saw.
I should have shown you guys the corners of this bag before I repaired them, but this side and this side I fixed like the piping because they look like this, like they're like broken through right there, and this one's like the only like a good corner that wasn't damaged. But yeah, it looks a lot better. I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry and see how it looks. But yeah, let's see what we can do with this side. This was probably like the worst side out of all of them. Also, I want to clean this back pocket portion and see how that looks. Because I don't know if it's color transfer or dirt or anything, but I want to see how much we can get out. So we're going to repair this and then that right there and see what comes of it. Alright, just wanted to show you guys how it's looking so far. That is how it's looking. I'm gonna let it dry. This is how that's looking. It's I removed a lot of it. There's still some there, definitely. I don't know if we're going to be able to remove all of it, but we're going to try again when I get back. But right now I'm going to go eat dinner. So let's go see what Mom made. Ooh, Mom's making fish. And the boys are eating orange chicken and rice. Yummy.
I have soup.
Oh, we also have soup?
Yeah.
Ooh, chicken or egg drop soup with imitation crab meat. Oh, you guys, this fish is so delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. It's like my favorite fish right now. Yum. How good does this look? Oh, it's steaming up the camera. Yum. That's how you know it's good. Even the camera wants some. Oh, and the accompaniment is eggplant inside of Mario Kart.
What's it, John?
Alright, it's time to eat now. Cannot wait. This food looks so delicious. Yasmin's already going to town, living her life. She has 50 different things in front of her to eat.
Oh my God.
Smorgasbord. Alright guys, right now I am cleaning up the kitchen. It is a little bit of a hot mess, so let's do that. So I'm literally making a nice coffee. I just put a shot of espresso in there from the espresso machine. And then I'm gonna go over here. Oh, I have to go get some oat milk. I think it's in the garage. So let me go get that really quick. Alright you guys, I am in my room now and I made my, what is it? I was gonna say my hot chocolate. I made my iced coffee. It is delicious. I'm going to get to editing videos for tomorrow. But everyone that participated in the sale today, thank you guys again so much. I'm going to be listing some more stuff too. A couple of you guys told me that you wanted me to hold your items until you see everything that I list for the next few days. That way you can add stuff to your order without having to pay extra shipping. And I am going to extend the 30% off, I think, for like the next day or two, just in case anyone else is interested and didn't get to see the video for the free shipping. Unfortunately, you can't do free shipping anymore, but I will continue the 30% off for the next few days. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video. The new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. The new vlog is up at 11. I love you guys immensely.